Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, we take 4 raised to power 6. The left hand side we have x minus 1 all raised to power 6 minus 4 raised to power 6 equals to 0 here. This we can write this as x minus 1 all raised to power 3, then all raised to power 2. As 2 times 3 here give us 6 minus also we have 4 raised to power 3 all raised to power 2 equals to 0 here. Then this follows when we have a squared minus b squared, which is something as a plus b into bracket, open bracket, a minus b. This here, a standing as x minus 1 all raised to power 3 and b standing as 4 raised to power 3. That is, all we have here becomes x minus 1 all raised to power 3 plus 4 raised to power 3 into brackets. Also, open bracket, x minus 1 all raised to power 3 minus 4 raised to power 3 close bracket equals to 0 here. Then this here we have two possible cases. The first one, x minus 1 all raised to power 3 plus 4 raised to power 3 equals to 0. Or we have x minus 1 all raised to power 3 minus 4 raised to power 3 equals to 0 here. Then solving on this side, this follows when we have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3 is the same thing as a plus b into brackets, open bracket, a squared minus ab plus b squared. This, what we have here, follow this and becomes x minus 1 plus 4 into brackets, then open bracket, x minus 1 all square, then minus 4 times x minus 1 plus 4 squared close bracket equals to 0 here. That is minus 1 plus 4, that's 3, x plus 3 into bracket, then open bracket, expansion here gives us x squared minus 2x plus 1, minus 4 open here, we have minus 4x plus 4, then plus 4 squared, that's 16 close bracket equals to 0 here. That is, here we have x plus 3 into bracket, open bracket. This becomes x squared minus 2x minus 4x, that's minus 6x. 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1, that's plus 21, close bracket equals to 0 here. That is, here we have two possible cases as well. X plus 3 equals to 0, or we have x squared minus 6x plus 21 equals to 0 here. Then, solving on this side, we have x equals to minus 3, which is a real solution here. Here we have a quadratic equation, a equals to 1, b equals to minus 6, and c equals to 21. Applying the quadratic formula here, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then here we have x equals to minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 21 all over 2 times 1. This, here we have x equals to minus times minus become plus. We have 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared, that's 36 minus 4 times 1 times 21. We have 84 all over 2 here. Then next step we have x equals to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 81, that gives us minus 48 all over 2 here. And we can also rewrite this as x equals to 6 plus or minus square root of 16 times 3 times minus 1 all over 2 here. When we separate this root 64, we have x equals to 6 plus or minus 4, and we have root 3, root minus 1 is I over 2. That is, from here, can factor 2 up here, and we have x equals to 2 into bracket. Here remain 3, then plus or minus, we have 2 root 3I close bracket over 2 here. Here 2 cancelled each other. We have x equals to 3 plus or minus 2 root 3I. Also, we have two complex solutions here. Then, solving for the second case here, this also follows when we have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, which is the same thing as a minus b into bracket and open bracket a square plus ab plus b square. This here, what we have becomes x minus 1 then minus 4 into bracket, also open bracket x minus 1 whole square plus 4 times x minus 1 plus 4 squared close bracket equals to 0 here. That is, here this becomes x minus 5 into bracket, open bracket, expansion here gives us x squared minus 2x plus 1. And 4 open this bracket, we have plus 4x minus 4, then plus 16 close bracket equals to 0 here. This here we have x minus 5 into bracket, open bracket, here becomes x squared minus 2x plus 4x, that gives us plus 2x. And we have 16 minus 4, that's 12 plus 1, that's plus 13, close bracket equals to 0 here. Then we also have two possible cases. First one, x minus 5 equals to 0, or we have x squared plus 2x plus 13 equals to 0 here. Solving on this side, we have x equals to 5, which is a real solution as well. We have this a quadratic equation where a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 13. And applying the quadratic formula here, which is also, this now becomes x equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 13 over 2 times 1. Then here we have x equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared, that's 4, minus 4 times 1 times 13, that gives us 52, then over 2 here. This here we have x equals to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 52, that's minus 48 all over 2. That is, here we can write this as x equals to minus 2 plus or minus root 16 times 3 times minus 1 over 2. This becomes x equals to minus 2 plus or minus root 16, that's 4. Then we have root 3, which minus 1 is I over 2. Then also, we can factor 2 up here. We have x equals to 2 into bracket. Here remain minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 3I close bracket over 2 here. And these 2 here cancel each other. We have x now equals to minus 1 plus or minus 2 root 3I. That is, also we have two complex solutions here. And therefore, altogether here, we have 6 solutions in this problem. 2 real solutions here, 2 complex solutions here, and 2 complex solutions here. And thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos. And turn on notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.